All right, in this question, you should be able to see that there is a definite symmetry to the answer choices. The position xf is either farther away from or closer to the sensor than the initial position, and the acceleration is either positive or negative. So in this question, we just have to make two choices. How has the position changed? Is it farther away from or closer to the sensor? And is the acceleration positive or negative? So looking at the question, which of the following describes the student's final position in relation to the starting position and the student's average horizontal acceleration between 0 and 3 seconds? So we are given a velocity versus time graph. That means we can read the velocity, the slope is acceleration, and the area is displacement. So the area is what's going to help us with the position, and the slope is what's going to help us with acceleration. Now, something to keep in mind, since it's asking whether something's moved farther away from or closer to the sensor, we do need to know which is the positive direction. So if I skim through the rest of the question, I'm looking for the positive direction is away from the sensor. So if I have positive displacement, then I'm farther away from the sensor. So I'm looking for up till 3 seconds, so that would be to here. And to find farther away or closer, I'm going to be looking at the area. Well, you should be able to see that the positive area here is bigger than the negative area here. That means overall we have a positive displacement, and so we should be farther away from the sensor. So that eliminates C and D. The next question is about acceleration. And if you look at this graph, the slopes are all over the place. The acceleration is not constant. So we have to look at the average acceleration, which means we're just looking at the final velocity and the initial velocity. So if I draw that line, that's going to give me the slope that would give me the average velocity. And overall, that is a negative slope, meaning the correct answer is B.